Hello everybody and welcome back. This is episode 9 of Slime Rancher. For the keen eyes that noticed that this didn't start off exactly where it ended off, it's because I actually started walking for whatever reason. I don't know. I feel the obsessive need to point those things out. So anyway, this is going to be our achievements episode where we start getting some of the achievements. So with a little quick pause and a dab at the achievements, we can see what we got. Plort Peddler, we got that. Transporter. Oh, they're so funny. Plort Authority. Son of a... Plort Powerhouse. Plort Tycoon. Bucka Bucka Bagoo. Buck Buck Bagoo. What? Fruit Cocktail. Have 3 different fruit trees on the ranch at the same time? Wait, what? I never had... When did... Does somebody remember me having that? Does anybody... I don't remember. Whatever. Have 3 different veggie gardens on the farm at the same time. So, oh god, that's gonna require me building 3 gardens, which I plan to do, but making them all veg, which won't help me at all. Well, I think I could remove crops. Be knocked out before 10 a.m. Did I die? I don't remember dying. Does anybody remember me dying? Last Desert. I guess this won't be an achievement episode since your achievements carry over between saves. Oh man. Well, I guess we're not doing the, I guess we're not doing achievements. Oh well. Because, oh well, I played on this game updates ago. Oh, okay. Man. Whatever. It's whatevs. Oh, I really need to get rid of these plorts. These pink plorts. Just run! Go, 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 go. I'm wondering whether or not I should take another stack. I'm gonna have to make another trip anyway, so it doesn't matter. How much was that again? It was the same price as the other one, right? Yeah. $17.95. Now, for the low price of $17.95, you can have an expansion to your own ranch. Dressing. No stony chick. I'm gonna go buy the expansion. I'm gonna try and save the stony hens if I can. But there's a box over there. Can I reach it? No! achievement.